Okay, good morning there, YouTube friends and subscribers. So I'm giving you a little quick video here of all my components that I have. I finally have all the correct components to go with my Magnum MS4448 PAE. This box here is the Magnum MPSL175-30D. Up against the wall, that white plate, that's the mounting plate. That's a BP-S mounting plate that mounts this panel. And this panel comes with almost everything you need, up to and including the wire to hook up the inverter, a little mounting plate for the Midnight Classic that's going to go on it, a router bracket, there's a hood, and there's also a top panel that comes with it. I also bought the ME-ARTR, which is the newest router for Magnum. This allows you to hook up multiple inverters, and it comes with everything you need. Looks like even a little thumb drive in the bag. 4 cables. Well, this will run 4 of these Magnum inverters. That's the controller. There was an earlier model than this. I forget the name or the number. This is the latest one. This is brand new. ME-ARTR. And then here we have the ME-BMK-NS for no shunt. That's the battery monitor. And it comes complete. This stuff is fairly pricey, but you get everything. And everything is designed for this system. So I'm going to put the camera down. And I'm going to take this hood off and give you a look under the hood. And again, I got all of this stuff from Boat and RV Accessories. They're on eBay, they're on Amazon, they have their own website. I'm sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. And that panel right there, depending on where you go, you got to price all your equipment out. The prices are just crazy. They can be $200 difference in different companies. I got that MPSL175-30D, $613 on the eBay site. That's $745 from the same company on Amazon, and their own page, it has a different price. It's just amazing. I don't know how that happens. Anyway, that was a smoking deal for 619 bucks. Sounds like a lot of money. I'll be right back. I'm going to show you what's in it. And for everything that you get, it's actually a bargain. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, here's take 2. My camera shut off. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, here's a peek under the hood. This is how this unit comes. All the bus bars are installed. All the wiring is installed. This little jumper wire here, in my situation, as it's already previously grounded, I need to remove that jumper. That's your AC in, leg 1, leg 2. That's if you go into the grid. In my case, it'll be a generator because I'm totally off grid. So that'll be if I need to charge my batteries through the generator. That's what that will do. There's your ground lug, DC positive bus, DC negative bus bar. These big fuses are like $120 to $140 all by themselves. Down here inside, there's your shunt and your battery negative bus. Another bus bar, your AC neutral, hot out from the inverter, hot out from the inverter, another ground, and then here you have all your switches, which I can't see what I'm doing, but anyway, that's all your breakers. Oh, they're not turned on. One side turns the other side off. That's your AC input for the inverter to do the charging. That's what that is. 30 amp dual pole. That's a 60 amp dual pole. It's 240 volts. Next thing I'm going to buy would be the auxiliary box, which bolts over here on the side. It has the breakers and the cables, and it comes with another hood, and you mount your second Magnum inverter on top of that. So eventually I'll be running 2 of these. Don't necessarily need to have 2 inverters, but I'll always have a backup unit. And if I ever need 8,800 watts of power or almost 17,000 watts of surge, I'll have it. So anyway, that's all my components. This is Saturday afternoon sometime. I'm going to start to assemble these things either tomorrow or Monday, whenever the temperature warms up. I'm obviously going to shut my whole system down, tear everything off the wall. I've got painted concrete board that's going to go up on the plywood wall behind the battery box, and I'm going to do the switch over to the 48 volt system. Very excited. And now that I've got that big project out of my way, I can get back to my solar. So anyway, there's a peek under the hood of the MPSL175-30D. It's really a really nice unit. Makes everything super easy to hook up. And it comes with everything, even the wires to hook your inverter up. It's amazing. So like I said, this is where your DIN rail breakers goes. That's where my DC breakers will go for the charge controllers, which I already have. So it's pretty exciting. I'm happy I'm going to finally get to work with it. Alright, enough rambling. I got to put all this system together, and hopefully I'll have it up and running next week. Very exciting. Alright, that's it for now. Stay tuned. There's more to come. Over and out.